India is one of the most diverse countries in the world. Its populace has managed to hold on to a meaningful connection to previous generations through a variety of means, including music, religion, food, dress, and handmade custom jewelry. Women in Ranchi, the capital of Jharkhand, are fusing traditional jewelry with a contemporary twist to give it a new identity while making themselves and their families financially secure.
यही काम करना क्यों शुरू किए और क्यों और महिला लोग को जोड़े?
ये मेरा पुश्तैनी काम है जो मैं पुरखे करते आ रहे हैं, बचपन से देखा है, तो ये काम करना मेरे लिए आसान भी था और मेरे लिए पसंद भी था, हॉबी भी था.
तो this is actually her family. This is her family traditional job. Actually, she get skills from her paternal families. Okay, and this is her hobby also. When she looks behind to her family, ki how they produce such type of ornaments. So she has some sparks to do the same things, and she started this. And after she started this, she felt that there is a huge demand, so she impart the skills to others, and other women are also getting connected with this profession and earning a good handsome of money.
We get 1 year of training now, so we want more training so we can learn more and more. That's why we need to training and practice more and more, so we can get much more learning from this metal, silver. We can make many more things, new things we can make, and new things we can give to others, so they love it and much more they can love.
Investing in women is central to sustainable development. In this rural community, the investment in women has resulted in a dramatic turnaround in their socio-economic fortunes, that of their families, and by extension, the community.
This is a unique example of women empowerment. Okay, these all women are somehow connected with self-help groups. They are self-help groups member. Government has initiated self-help groups programs under Day NRLM. Okay, so number of women, more than 100 women are included in this initiative. These women are real life entrepreneurs sitting in a hinterland villages of Khunti district. They are preparing metal jewelry, tribal jewelries, and jewelry made of various metals and silvers and others. She is Yasoda, and Yasoda has started wholeheartedly this initiative 2-3 years back. She came from the jewelry making background, and this jewelry is very much popular among not only the rural crowds, but urban crowd is also very much attractive about these jewelries. So seeing the demands and the growing demands of these type of tribal jewelries and silver jewelries, Yasoda has started this initiative and connected a lot of rural women for this. And the demand, as per the demand, she tried to fulfill the demand of the market.
They have preserved the original format of jewelry making, fashioning silver wire into beautiful, exotic jewelry of traditional design. The process of converting the silver wires into jewelry involves several people. Silver wires of various thickness are used in the production of the jewelry. The thickness of the wire is determined by the design. collection of artisan handcrafted jewelry made by women in Jharkhand includes bracelets, chains, bangles, and elaborate earrings. The unique jewelry designs are purely due to the craftsmanship. They are being sold under the brand name Adiva in Palash Marts, a chain of stores run by the Jharkhand State Livelihood Promotion Society.
Just 7 to 8 months back, we have branded this jewelry as Adiva. Adiva words comes from Adivasi. These all rural women are Adivasi women, and they are from the tribal families. So this is the brand Adiva. Adiva, we have branded it, and few months back in India International Trade Fair, they sold more than 8.5 lakhs rupees. They earned actually for the items, and more than 8.5 lakhs they have done business in the India International Trade Fair scheduled at Pragati Maidan, New Delhi. And they make the jewelries for all type of occasions. These jewelries has been used for regular use, for marriage purposes. Actually in India marriages are very popular for jewelry. So these jewelries are also used by women for various purposes.
What next for her, and what would she say to encourage other women to go out and try on their own?
और आगे क्या करने का प्लानिंग है ताकि और ज़्यादा महिला लोग जुड़े और अच्छा कमाई हो, दूसरी महिला लोग को भी इससे फ़ायदा हो और आपको तो हो ही।
जिनको नहीं आता उनको ट्रेनिंग दे के उनको भी अपने साथ जोड़ने का है, और जितना हो सके बहुत सारी महिलाओं को जोड़ना है, रोजगार देना है, क्योंकि ऑर्डर भी बहुत आ रहा है हमारे ऑफिस से सामान।
आफ्टर दिस ज्वेलरी हैज़ बीन ब्रांडेड एज Adiva, there is a huge demand after big market linkages done by government and JSLPS. So she is telling that she will soon initiate a training for other women also and connect more women to this profession, as she has a lot of pending orders to provide them to customers. Okay, and there are few national international melas also going on in India, so she has demands for those melas also. So overall she is not able to fulfilling the demand for Adiva jewelry. So to fulfilling the demand and competing the market across, she has planned to train more women and connect more women for this initiative and help other women to come out of poverty.